Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn free USDT on Binance. And the first way would be to go ahead and sign up on Binance through my link in the description below to get a $100 bonus. This is one way how you can simply earn by registering and depositing some money into your account and then getting the money for a referral. I'm going to leave the link in the description for you to check out. Another way would be to go to Binance and click on Earn option. Once you click here on coins, you will not find here USDT anymore. Maybe it will show it to you, but for me it's not anymore. But what you can do is earn USDC. So you just basically need to subscribe here, either dual investment or simple earn, or you can simply just earn, for example, Ethereum or BNB coin. As you can see, you can earn a lot with Solana and some other coins. So you can just basically invest here, subscribe, and basically like so earn the money. And after that, all you will have to do is convert. So go to your spot. And for example, if you have earned Solana, you will just need to click convert option and choose, for example, USDT, just like so, and convert it. And that's how you earn USDT on Binance. So for free. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.